Matt, please tell everyone what we're gonna go do.
We're going to pick up a 2015 Scion IQ.
And
Pick up rear-wheel drive transit.
on what tires? That's right. We got all the materials required.
Yeah.
Plates, booster pack, contract, OBD. I really hope we end up buying this car. Super cool. Well, hope she's got a shovel. All right, we are now in the Scion IQ.
I felt so bad for the tranny, bro.
Oh, look at this
Everything
thing.
on means it's working. So
Yeah, we're good. It's a good light, not a bad light.
It feels like we need air in the tire. Oh, bro, the brakes are brand new, man.
Yeah, careful. You do need air in the tires.
It feels like wobbly, or is that just how these cars feel? Wait, power mode?
No, don't go
So
on
we need power is in the review.
Okay. We need to go to Canadian Tire. What in the world is this? Oh no, this is like an airplane.
Oh, it's LED.
Yeah, of course it's LED.
Oh, look at the streets we're driving in. I have no fear right now. We fit like a glove.
Boink, boink.
Not bad.
Turn it up, turn it up. Bro, it's pretty good. We could go on a road trip with this.
I would take this to the chalet.
Yeah. I mean, it could barely make it up a concrete hill. I don't know about.
She's so much fun.
All right. So Matt, tell us what you bought. What you've just acquired.
It's the 2015 Scion IQ. It's got 3,000 kilometers.
What a vehicle. Okay, whoa.
Is a brand new car.
How do you get to the back?
Try to keep it together while I do this, okay?
All right, show me. Oh my lord. Have these ever been sat on? I don't think so.
Well, about to.
And plus, look at all this trunk space you got after. That's it?
Yep, that's against me.
That's against you? All right, let me try to sit here. Oof, oof, oof. Yeah, I don't know if this is drivable. Look at this.
Check this, man.
Honestly, that's gorgeous.
This is probably one of my favorite cars.
What an
I would
automobile.
take this over a Lamborghini Cullinan.
What an automobile.
Look, they put it like this, so you can just pull it to get out
Ah,
on that side.
that's smart. Now I gotta find a way out of here. Oh my god. You got it, man. Maybe it's better for you to get out the back. Now we are at Canadian Tire. We're gonna buy some tracks for the Transit that we're gonna go pick up with, yeah, with summer tires only. So it's gonna be stuck in an icy driveway. We need a way to get it out of there, and it's rear wheel drive, of course.
Perfect.
The goods have been secured. Look at that bad boy, just
You want to drive it?
parked there. I'm thinking for a spin around the block.
Take it for a drive, man.
Beep, beep.
Whoop, whoop.
Look at that bad boy. Put some nice wheels on there. Yeah, we're in a parking spot.
A lot of people wide body these.
Oh yeah?
Man, they put chassis mount wings on them. The more I look into it, man, look at this.
The more you love it,
Look at this. Look at this.
it's brand new.
Come
It's just brand new. Starts right up. No hesitation.
Oh, you're right, bro. The room.
I know. Look at the legroom.
I know you got like a Macan Turbo and like a CL55. But just be careful, alright?
This one's a little more aggressive. Oh, all the room you got.
Holy. The whole car's gonna flip over.
Sorry, I was just adjusting.
Nice. Little coffee break at Tim's.
Pistache, bro.
What?
Choco pistache drinks.
No, disgusting.
Merci beaucoup.
We got the goods.
I've got them.
Thank you.
Transit. Next stop, Ford Transit. rear wheel drive on summertime. Wait, this is power. That was like 3,000 RPM.
Yeah, we're about to come off the road there.
Fast. Honestly.
Yeah, like why does it pull?
It pulls. If you can get 400 kilometers out of 20 liters of fuel, I don't know the math behind that. That's really good.
That's a good liter per 100 right there. So we're gonna get gas because this might be old gas that's in the Scion IQ. This gas station is 128.8, and the one across the street, I don't know if you guys see that over there, 140.5. Who's over there putting gas right now?
He's backing into our spot that we were backing into.
You're so kind.
Thank you, sir. I'm not gonna pick a fight with an F-250.
I am.
Not this thing.
Oh yeah. I would have honked. And like, move out of the way or I'm continuing.
You know what this thing's missing?
A backup camera?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so we're at like one box above half. And we're putting Supreme just so that it, you know, dilutes with the old gas and it still runs well. You said $14 from like
94?
Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna say
$18.
I'm gonna go with your original $14.
14? I forgot we're putting in 94. It might be like $30. Oh, $19.
$19 from just a bit above half.
We've arrived.
There it is.
All right.
Let's go take a look. Oh. Oh, putain.
Yeah. That just needs a little bit of a repair.
Oh.
You can't even see the outside from here.
No, it's perfect. But, oh. Look at that. Are those red accents? Look at that. You can eat off that. Wow. Look at this hood.
And just like that, we are back at the gas station. Damn, it's cold. Just needed a little bit to get to the office. And we are off. 20 bucks of gas does not get you very far these days. We are back. Look at that thing.
Tell me someone's not gonna buy this.
Doesn't that Scion make the M4 look bad?
So you ready?
Alright, bring it on.
12 years old.
Oh my goodness. It's brand new. I gotta repaint the entire car to sell this.
No, you need 2 bumpers.
Vinay will personally repaint the entire car.
Why would I personally
I
do
swear to God, if I didn't have my Kona, this would be mine.
Let's do it. I'll swap you right into it, bro.
Where's the back seat? I'm glad you asked. Check this, man. I mean, he's never sat in seats with the headrest. It's not even installed yet.
What is this? I'm gonna consider it a seat.
I went in the back myself. Just to make sure. Breaking my.
There's actually a lot of leg room too in the front.
Look at these original tires. Feel the tread depth of that. I know they're old, but those are from 2014. I'll let the car do the talking.
We take this to the chalet?